The Gulf State Park Fishing and Education Pier in Gulf Shores, Alabama, was built in 2009. It extends 1,540 feet into the Gulf of Mexico, making it the second largest pier in the Gulf. The original Gulf State Park Pier, built in 1968, was about half this size, but it was destroyed in 2004 by Hurricane Ivan. Visitors must pay the pier fee and receive a wristband for entry. Visitors 16 and over who fish also need a saltwater fishing license, which is available for purchase on site. Rods and reels are also available for rent. The sightseeing fee is $3, and it's free for veterans. It costs $9 to fish all day, and veterans get a $3 fishing discount. Proceeds from the memorial wall plaques support the Veteran Sponsorship Program. Brady Rogers from Hartselle, Alabama, was wearing his veteran's cap on the pier. He and his wife normally bring the grandkids with them to Orange Beach each October, and he recommends visitors check out the pier.
Oh, it's a wonderful place to fish. You meet all kinds of people, and everybody's nice and friendly, and get you out here in the breeze, and there's lots of fish. It's different times, but it's hit or miss sometimes, but today's a good day, and any day out here on the water is a good day.
Wow.
Among the fish he and others reeled in today was one that made a distinctive sound.
Do you want some of these? Oh, okay.
Yeah, those are croakers. Yeah, and they come by their name naturally. They grunt a lot when you reel them in, so they call them croakers. That's their name.
Jody Hill and her husband Don are from Hamilton, Indiana. Both were catching fish and enjoying it. Don was especially hopeful for Spanish mackerel.
When the Spanish are coming in or the sheephead are biting, I get real serious. Other than that, I don't really care too much. And we get a few fish to clean. That's all we need. But we like to go home and have a big fish fry and have all the kids over and just have a good time.
Jody wrestled with a fish for over 10 minutes, and it finally got away.
Honey, you took my bait. Oh, no.
I can't believe it.
Jody was asked to talk about the one that got away.
I wish I could. I don't know what it was. No, it's just fun. Everybody working together. So it's just fun to everybody just seeing what we get.
The Hills are faithful visitors who have been attracted to the Gulf Shores area for many reasons.
Our friends and the pier.
And the fish.
Yeah.
And the beach.
And no children, no grandchildren.
Yeah.
For a week.
We realized this week, this is the first time in 41 years that we've been married, that we came down, we were sitting down having breakfast. We had no kids, no friends to entertain, no responsibility. We were just sitting there eating breakfast, and I thought, this is weird. It was perfect.
The pier has a restaurant with bar, picnic tables, a gift shop and snack bar, restrooms in 2 locations, outdoor showers, vending machines, benches, and fish cleaning stations. All along the pier, patrons can read the educational posters that help them identify the type of fish typically found in this part of the Gulf and the types of sea and shore birds they might encounter. The coastal restoration project here is ongoing, and visitors are reminded that the dunes are protected. The sea turtles nest here and all along Alabama's coastline, and because the pier is open 24 hours a day, it has turtle-friendly lighting. Visitors have access to picture postcard views of the Gulf Shores beach area. Whether you're fishing or sightseeing on the pier, the sheer beauty of the Gulf is worth the price of admission.